Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we have this cool, amazing product right here in the package. If you guys can see, let's open up to show you guys what's inside first before I talk about the product. So when we first open the package itself, this is basically what's provided for us. If you guys can see, a bunch of chips inside. So let me take out each one to show you guys what they provide us. So the first one we have right here is the original homemade tortilla chips. So their products are made with like no preservative, it's vegan friendly and also gluten free, which is pretty awesome. So this is the first flavor that they provided us. Next one we have right here is the chili lime homemade Kettle papitas. That's pretty much a Mexican street style potato chip that's seasoned with chili lime. Next one we have right here is the same thing, the chili lime homemade Kettle papitas. This is just a smaller sample bag so you can try out, which is pretty nice. The next one we have right here is the blue corn homemade tortilla chips. Next one we have right here is the chipotle homemade tortilla chips, so chipotle flavor, which is pretty awesome. Next one we have right here, it is their original homemade Kettle papitas. That is pretty much a Mexican street style potato chip, but seasoned with sea salt. And then the last and final one, we have the original homemade tortilla chip, and that's basically everything that's in the packaging itself. So now that we did a quick unboxing of the product itself, now we gotta try it out to see whether it's actually worth it or not and how the taste is and everything. Alright, so there's something wrong with my audio, so I'm gonna be doing voiceover because the audio was not working. Alright, so basically what we have right here is the original tortilla chips you guys can see. So we'll open up first. Alright, so when we open up the inside, you guys can definitely smell the tortilla chips is super fresh. If you guys can see, that's what it looks like. So this is what it looks like if you guys can see. Looks really, really good. But let's give it a try. So for this one, it definitely tastes really, really good. It's like super fresh. Like it actually tastes a lot better than like the ones you guys can buy in the store and everything. So next one that we have right here is the Kettle papita. That's kind of like a kettle chip in a way. So let's open up and see what the inside looks like first. So when we open the package itself, you guys definitely smell like the freshness of like the kettle chips itself. And this is basically what it looks like inside, if you guys can see. So this is what it looks like, if you guys can see. It definitely looks like a kettle chip and everything. But let's give it a try. So for this one, actually tastes really good. It kind of reminds me of like the kettle chips that you can buy that has like the sea salt flavor or jalapeno flavor and everything. But it definitely tastes really, really good. So the next one that we have right here is the blue corn tortilla. If you guys never tried one of these, you should definitely try these out. So let's open up the inside to show you what it looks like first. So basically this is what it looks like inside. It definitely smells really good. It smells very different than your regular tortilla chip, and I actually like blue corn chips a lot better than your regular ones. So basically this is what it looks like. Let's take one out. If you didn't see, this is basically what it looks like. The color and everything looks amazing. I love like the blue or like the kind of like black dark texture. But let's give it a try and see how it tastes. So the taste and everything for the product itself, it tastes amazing. It's definitely different than your regular tortilla chips, but the flavor and the texture and everything is really, really good. It's actually better than the regular ones, at least in my opinion. Alright, so for the next one that we have right here, this is their chipotle tortilla chips. This one is a tortilla chip but with chipotle flavor, so let's open up and show you what the inside looks like. So when we smell the inside, the tortilla chip, it definitely smells amazing. You definitely get that chipotle kind of like taste or smell to it. And this is basically what it looks like. If you can see, you can definitely see like the sauce or the seasoning of the chipotle on there. But let's give it a try and see how it tastes. So as I'm eating this, I can definitely taste like the strong like chipotle flavor and everything. It wasn't like an instant kick of spice. It was like an afterward, like maybe like a few minutes or a few bites afterward. You guys definitely taste like the spiciness from the chipotle and everything. So for the last one that we have right here, this is their chili lime Kettle papitas. So let's open up and show you guys what the inside looks like first. So when we open it up, you can definitely smell like the strong chili lime flavor of it, of the actual chips itself. You guys can see this is basically what it looks like inside. So basically, as you can see, this is what the chip looks like. It definitely looks like a kettle chip and everything. But let's give it a try and see how it tastes like. So as I'm eating and tasting the flavor and everything, you guys can definitely taste like the strong chili lime flavor. You taste a lot of the lime flavor, but the chili doesn't like kick in until later on. It's like a slow kicker, kind of like the chipotle flavor one. But I feel like the chipotle one was a little bit more spicy and a stronger like kick of spiciness. So let's actually go try a few of these out first. Alright, so now that we tried the product itself, you guys can see that it's really, really crunchy. It's super fresh and everything. It tastes amazing. I definitely love the different flavors that is on here. So there's like the blue corn one, there's the original, there's the one with the Mexican street style flavor ones. So if you guys want to try these out, you guys can go find them on like Whole Foods or like on their website, and I believe they sell on like other retailers as well. But now that we did a quick unboxing and testing on the product itself, Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I think these are actually really worth it if you guys are trying to look for like a homemade tortilla chips, a homemade papitas. Especially ones that are like flavored, so you guys don't even need to add the salsa or dip in salsa or whatever, so that's pretty awesome. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan show update, we have